Good afternoon all, welcome again from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Pleased to be showing you today this 2018 68 Skoda Kodiaq. This is a 2 litre TDI DSG, so it's the auto box, and this is the SE L. So fantastic SUV motor vehicle. A few nice bells and whistles on it. It has got the easy pack tailgate at the back, so that will raise on its own. And we've also got keyless entry and keyless go. So there's no ignition socket, but we have the start stop button on the side of the console there. This 68 plate has covered 50,641 miles, is in fantastic condition, and comes finished with the half leather, half Alcantara suede finish. As you got the DSG there. We've got heated front seats, 2-zone climate, and then we've got the stunning dash there with your satellite navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, Bluetooth, everything else that you could want. If you'd like any further information, please give the sales team a call. Certainly won't be disappointed with this car. It is a fantastic and very capable SUV. We'd welcome you down to have a view, have a drive of the car, welcome any part exchange, and hopefully look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye for now.